everyone, it's Anna here at Dee's for another Christmas decorating tip. A lot of you guys have bought these little wire, metal, and glass vases, and they're perfect to add in little places around your home, like on a hutch or bookcase or on the back of the toilet. So we sold a lot all summer long with greenery in them in the fall with little leaves, and they're perfect to decorate for Christmas too. They come in a lot of different sizes and they're really inexpensive, so they're the perfect thing to add into your home that you can use all year long. Just like this tray here with the glass bottles, another great thing to add in your home that you can tuck Christmas into, spring into, every season. So today I'm going to show you how to add to these using Christmas florals. With these guys, they don't need a lot. You could even leave one empty if you do a grouping of 3 or 5. But on these, I'm going to add in a few little berries and greenery. We have great ones to pick from, like this one that comes in already with a mix. So you could just simply fluff this one out and add it into a smaller one, and it looks great. You don't have to do anything else. The other nice thing is to get one larger stem like this one here that's got a good mix going on and cut it apart. So it has some boxwood, it has some leaves and some berries. You could separate it and cut it with some wire cutters and then tuck it into the glass. So on a stem like this, you could get a few different pieces out of it and use it in 3 or 4 different ones. So here's some berries and leaves I can tuck into this one. And then over here in the smaller one, I could cut off a little of the boxwood and maybe a few of the berries and tuck it into the smaller one. Then you know it looks great next to each other and coordinates, but you only had to buy one stem to do it. With this guy over here, since he's got a lot of different bottles going on, we chose this one. It's a really nice mix. It's got some leaves, some pine cones, and some berries in it, and cut it all apart. Then all you have to do is tuck it around. So here's like the little bit of different kind of pine that's shorter. I'm going to stick into this jar. Then I'm going to take the berries, maybe add those in back here for a nice pop of color. I tied a little red gingham ribbon around the taller one, again to give some red. That's another little pine pick I'm going to stick in the smallest one. Maybe add in the berries too that came on the stem. What's nice is all you have to do is buy one stem that's got a good mix, and that's it. You can get this whole look from that. Here's some taller pine I'll stick in this one. And then back here, I might do a few little pine cones and a little bit of pine. You can always leave one empty too, but this stem has enough that it fills in everything. The other nice thing is you get these leaves, and they look great kind of tucked into the tray. And also with the pine cones too. Just take those pine cones, don't get rid of them just because you didn't fit them in a jar, and just tuck them into the bottom of the tray, almost like filler. And it's the perfect thing to add into your home. Maybe put it on your island, and it looks like fresh greenery cuttings that you may have gone outside and gotten. And also, please don't forget to join us for our open house. It's November 10th from 10 to 6. It's coming up soon, and we're super excited because we have lots of treats, giveaways, and special sales that day.